In today's video, I show you guys how to install a 100% completed save file in NFS Underground 2 with all machines unlocked. All you have to do is check my video description for this link. Select this download option. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And then just close tab here and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find the NFS Underground 2 folder and just drag and drop this save. And now this is a previous game progress. Just cut and paste it in another location just to pack up your game progress. And then just launch the game. As you can see, Jane save has been loads up. Go to career, resume career, go to return explore mode. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.